The brokerage/offices page is where you can see a quick overview of your company's information, and then admin only will be able to click the edit button and create and add your logos on the top right, all of your offices. To edit any particular office, just open and close the toggle, and then when you're done editing, just click Save. To create a new office, click on the lower Create New Office button and then click to save your details. Very simple. On the top row, you've got the name of your company. You can change that here. Your primary office location, you can establish in the drop-down. And then your brokerage ID, which you'll need for some of your API filters or dealing with some of our advertising partners. You can provide that information to them by grabbing it here. The second tab, API Access, is for your programmers. It's the API key that authorizes your data feed to work and be received on your end. If you click Regenerate API Key, remember that changing it will take down your website. So you don't want to do that unless you have a plan to replace the authorization key. The buttons on the right are the links to our documentation for the APIs, the scraping API and then our live API. You'll know which one to use. For staff settings, this is where you'll be able to see a list of all the office admin accounts you've created as an admin, and then you'll be able to assign each office admin the offices they'll be able to access. They'll be able to access the brokers and the listings in those offices to make changes. And you would just simply click and then add as many offices to that account as necessary. In the top portion, this is where you'll be able to limit access to certain information and also send automatic email notifications. This is where your admin will be able to enable automated emails, whereas if a status has been changed from suspend or draft mode, meaning enabled, all admins will get an email. Also, if your team has created a new vessel, it'll also send an email out to all the admins as well. You just need to enable those. And lastly, the top 5 settings. User view-only accounts. That means that your brokers, when they log in, cannot add or edit anything. They can just view and maybe create marketing templates. The second option, allow user vessel status update. That means that they will be able to only edit a vessel status. So that maybe means a listing agent creates it, but the yacht broker can turn the vessel on or off or mark it as sold. Office admin, this restricts the rights to an office admin to only allow a status change rather than completely create and edit a vessel. Hide templates, that means that anything for multi-vessel or single vessel marketing material will be hidden. They won't be able to create PDF files, email templates, etc. Hiding forms, we include the IYBA contracts for listing agreements, closing documents. If you don't want your team to use those, they're just PDFs. You can click to hide that and they won't appear on the vessel page.